Good morning. Good morning. My name is Mohammed Ibrahim from Class 6C. Plastic pollution. What is plastic pollution? A very big problem in the whole world is plastic pollution. It occurs when plastic is not properly used and discarded in the environment, not properly recycled and start to accumulate somewhere, which is making that place dirty. On the other hand, more and more plastic is produced every day in factories. Plastic needs hundreds of years to decompose naturally, which is a long time. Excess plastic reach rivers and seas. From a river, you will throw the trash in it and the river will flow and it will reach the sea. It is the reason why many animals on land or in the sea are dying. They eat the plastic and then they mostly die. Plastic is one of the reasons why Earth is polluted so much. Plastic is thrown in the river and stream which go in the sea and pollutes the sea and kills marine animals. And because the plastic is in the river, it also pollutes the river, but river can be cleaned as the water flow. How is plastic pollution harming the environment? Plastic pollution makes the place dirty, as plastic is not a part of nature. The rain is acid because of the smoke. Smoke is made because of fossil fuels which were burnt to make plastic. Less plants will be grown as river water is dirty because of plastic thrown it, so the plants will also not get enough water to grow, enough clean water to grow. Yellow grass will also be grown because it will not get the sunlight because of the smoky clouds and also because of plastic on top of it. How is plastic pollution harming the animals? Plastic thrown in places where animals are living is also a very harmful thing to the birds of animals. They eat the plastic mistakenly as they think it is their food, which isn't their food. In fact, it is a very harmful place. It is a harmful thing for them to eat. Plastic also pollutes their habitat in which they live, and if they don't have a proper habitat to live in, they will die. If there is plastic too much near the animal's habitat, the animal can also get physically damaged because plastic can harm it in any way. Making bacteria is also a part of this thing because plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose, and in hundreds of years anything can happen to the plastic. It can also get a disease which is then eaten by the animal, which makes a new disease. Plastic also reduces the food of the animal because the animal eats another animal, and if that animal is dead, it cannot eat the animals as it is dead, and then it will also die. The smoke also kills the animals because the animal not get proper oxygen. How to fix plastic pollution? To fix plastic pollution, we should not throw single-use plastic, as we can reuse the plastic in our house. We should use paper packs more often because they are reusable and it is not also making plastic pollution, as they are made of paper, and paper can get dissolved in the soil very easily. We should not burn plastic just to get rid of it, because if we burn it, it will make another pollution called air pollution. We also shouldn't throw plastic in the environment, because if we throw it in the environment, animals will die and the place will also get dirty. So it is better to throw the plastic in the bins outside our houses. We should also throw the plastic in the sorted bins, which recycle the plastic, and it is very good for the earth, as we are not making any plastic for the earth to get polluted. We are just reusing the same plastic, so it is very better just for making new plastic. How is Qatar fixing plastic pollution in its country? It is putting many sorted bins in famous places like Amini Park, airports, and etc. It is using environmental friendly stuff in its builds. Like it is not using the stuff which can make pollutions, or do anything which is not good for the environment. It is, as you know, that Qatar is hosting FIFA World Cup, FIFA World Cup 2022, and it did such a good thing that it made sustainable stadiums, which which are very good for the environment. Using less plastic in usual thing is also a very good thing that Qatar did. It put many paper bags in supermarkets we usually go, and it is still be trying to become more sustainable, so the country Qatar can be a better place to live, and plastic pollution will not be a problem over there like other uh, countries. Also, Qatar seas are also very clean. They have very less plastic, and in some places there are like no plastic, which is a very big act, and it is very good for the environment of the Qatar Sea.